This particular website was created without writing a single line of code. You heard me right. It was created on WordPress without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this particular website. So let me refresh it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can recreate this website for your business. So this is a child care and a kindergarten website. So I'm going to show you how to build this with WordPress. You can see this is a professional looking. So I'll show you how you can change this image to your own student images. So you can also change this if you want, the colors, the typography, the text. So I will show you how you can change this and rebrand it. Even if you want to change the whole background color, I'll equally show you how you can go about and do that. So you can see this is a very professional looking kindergarten and child care website. So you can see it, very professional looking, very professional looking. So I'm just showing you this sample site because this is exactly what we are going to create. So if you are new to this particular channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notifications so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So you can see very professional. So this is the blog session. So this is the pricing session. So you display your prices, your pricing plan. You can see this is 29 per month, 129, 229. So you can also change everything there to your own pricing. So you can see very professional looking, very professional looking. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you just log into your WordPress dashboard. Now, if you don't have this particular WordPress dashboard, I made a video on how you can get a domain and hosting and install your WordPress just like this. But in this video, I'm using a sample site, not a custom domain. But that video, I put a domain name live on the video, and I equally installed this particular WordPress live on the video. So go and check it out, and so you can be able to follow up this particular video. So if you already installed your WordPress, congratulations to you. Let's proceed. So the first thing we are going to do here is that we are going to change the appearance of the website. So first of all, I want us to view this our website in a new tab so we can see how our website looks like. So this is exactly how it looks like by default. So we have to change this. For the first thing is go to, if you hover over this appearance, you click on theme. So once you click on theme, by default you have all these themes. You can delete it if you want, you can leave it there if you want, but we are not interested there. We want to install the theme that we want to use for this particular project. So you click on add theme. Then once you are done, it's going to load up this theme. We are using this particular theme, Hello Elementor. If you didn't find it, just search for it over here. So install it. Then once you are done, just activate it. So once you are done, let's refresh our website. Our website took a new shape, you can see it. So let's proceed. So the second thing we are going to do is we are going to install plugin. Already it is popping that we should install Elementor because this is what we are going to use for this project. So we click hover over this place and click on add plugin. Then we search for Elementor. You see, you search it, any plugin you want, search for it over here. So we are looking for Elementor. So see it over here. So we install it. We are not going to activate it. So I'll show you how you can activate it. Even if you install 10 plugin, you activate it together. So the next template, the next plugin we're going to install is a template kit import. Template kit import. So this is the second plugin we are going to install. The rest plugin, this particular two plugin will help us and install it. So scroll down, you see this particular one, install it. template kit import, install it. So once you are done, then you go back to installed plugin, click here, install plugin. You're going to find your plugins over here. You click on check all of them, bulk action, activate, then you click on apply. Then once you are done, then the next thing we are going to do is we're going to create our pages. So this particular plugin is already installed. So now we hover over to pages, we add page. So we add page. So now we are going to work only on the home page. So we are going to work on the home page alone. So but I want you to follow this process to create other pages and do the same thing I'm going to do on this page in other pages. So we are going to create our home page. Then here now, template session, you change it, click here and click on Elementor full width. Then you publish. Why did we create this thing first? The reason why we created it, we have to go back, is because I want to show you something. So this particular home page we created is not yet our home page, so we have to make it our home page. For us to do that, come over to settings and click on reading. Then you can see that your home page displays your latest post. No, that is not what we want. We want it to display our design. Therefore, we are going to click on a static page. Then we select the home page we created just now. Then we save the changes. Then let's refresh. You can see that we don't have anything again because the home page we have created does not have any content in it. So, and this is the header of the current header of this particular website. So that is the reason why it is not showing. So now let us proceed to the most important part of this video, where we are going to now import the template. So you click on tools, then you're going to see tools, we are going to see template kit. See it over here, template kit. So you click on it. So now here we are going to install our template. This is the one we did for the previous video, so I'm going to just delete it for the previous video. So if you have not watched the video on how I installed that particular template, do well to go and watch it. So I have deleted it. So now for us to install another template, you can click here or over here. So I'm going to pause this video so that I will import the template. So if you want to get the template, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get this particular template. So it's not for free, but go there and download it. So you can see it's processing. So I just imported it for my gallery. I don't want to display my gallery on this video. So you can see it. So you can see that I have this particular website over here. Everything, you can see it. Everything is here. Wow, so beautiful. So you can see it. So now I'll put the link in the description of this video for you to go and get this template. So rush now and get it so that you proceed with this video. And if you encounter any difficulty, you tell me in the comment section. So now it is saying that we should install two requirements. So just click on install requirements, then you click on it. It will install the rest plugin that we need for this project to work very fine. So now, then after doing this thing, the next thing we are going to do is, this is the first thing you will do after installing all the plugin, is you import the global kit style. If you don't import it, your website is not going to come with this particular design. So we have imported it. Let's refresh our home page. So you can see now, if you hover over, this thing is now blue. Before it was green. That means our import worked. So the next thing we are going to do is there is one plugin that this particular template didn't come with, and I will install it right now. So come over to plugin. Let me show you another way to install plugin. click on installed plugin. So this particular plugin, if it didn't come together with any template, go and install it because you need it to create the header and footer of the website. So now if you come here, this is just a promotional flyer, so remove it. This is also a promotional flyer. So now you can see here now, if you click on install plugin, you can go here and add new plugin, or you can add new plugin over here. So let's use this particular one. So click on it, just search for element kit. So this is the template, the plugin we are going to need. See it here. We need it for header and footer creation. So then install it and activate it. So once we are done, the next we are going to do is we are going to go and create menu before we design, because I want you to know how to create your menu, because once we start designing the header and footer, we need that. So come to appearance, we are going to see menus, click on it. So in my own case, I've already created menu in the previous video, but we are going to create a new menu. For us to create a new menu here, just click here, create a new menu. But in your own case, this is exactly what you are going to see because you don't have any menu. So now here now we are going to create a menu. Let me write it menu, because I already have another. The first one I wrote menu, so just click create menu. So you create the menu. So the menu has been created. So now what we are going to do is for you to add pages to the menu. So just click here. If you don't want to, maybe I want to select another one, I will click this particular one. It will change, then this thing will be added there. So let's just add to this one. Then you click on, then you select header where the menu should appear. Then you click on save menu. Sorry, before then I just save this one. Before then, just add it. Click on add to menu first, then you click on save menu. So it has been saved. We have created our menu. Then we now proceed to designing the website. So come back to pages, all pages. Then here now, our team just gave us the default. You are going to trash it. So, but we are not going there. So let's view this page. Okay, so okay, edit. So once we click on edit, so then we click on edit with Elementor. So because we are going to use this Elementor to design this particular website. So we click on edit with Elementor. So the Elementor page is loading. You have to wait for it to load very well. So they said I'm now using the automatic editor. So very good. Elementor is upgrading and updating every time. So that is why I love using Elementor. So yes, it has been loaded. So you have to wait for this thing to finish loading, but we are going to refresh this page because we need to see our Elementor importation logo here, because these ones are not our thing. So we have to refresh this page. So I'll pause this video. Once the page has refreshed, I'll play it again. So this is the icon we are looking for. So if you didn't see this icon, you cannot import this particular template. So we are looking for this icon. So click on it. So that's what we have been looking for. Then you can see that our installed kit. So view installed kit. Then you scroll down. We look for the home page. So I think the home page, I saw it down here. So you click on insert template. So it is loading. So you wait for it to finish loading. So I'll pause this video as it has started loading. So let me pause this video and come back once it is done loading, because I don't want this video to be very long. So as you can see now, it has been installed, template have been installed, so you can see it. So you can see it, very, very perfect and nice. So you can see that this is in the development session, and let me publish it so that we refresh our website. So this is the development session. Here now we can change anything we want. So let me just come after the publish, we change some certain things so that I will show you what I mean. It's still loading. It's still loading. So for the meantime, let's just go and open our website in a new tab. So open in a new tab. Let's see if it has load. It is done loading. I think it may be network. So it is network. So I think we have to just exercise patience. It has been uploaded, published. You can see it has been published. So let's see. You can see it. So how do you know it is in our website? See the URL of the website. See the header. We have not changed the header, so the header is still the same. And see, this is the website. So you can see now you have now successfully transferred the other design into your WordPress website. So now here now I'm going to do small editing on this particular website so you see what I'm trying to say. So here I'm going to first of all change this background, so color. So if you want to change your background color, just click here. So click on style. I'm going to change the background color so that I'm going to change a lot of things, and you find out that this particular website is going to turn new. So this is the background color. I'm changing this button. So once you click on it, click on style. So the button color, you can see the button colors here. This is the color, and this is the second color. This second color, so this is the gradient color. So that is why it is showing two colors. So it's a gradient color, the first color, and the second color, same gradient. You can see. So that is it. That is the color. So the hover color, click on hover. Let's change the hover color. It's also a gradient color, but you can see it. So let's leave it that way. Then we scroll down. You can change any of these images. I don't have any image. Just click on here. You click on style. No, that is not where the image is. I think it is in background overlay. Yes, I said it. Image carousel. So it is an image carousel. So here now, let me show you again. So click here on this image. Click on this image, or on this image, or on this image. This is an image carousel. So all of them are linked together. See it, all of them are linked together. To add the three images, just come over here, click here. Then you can see this image, add to gallery. You add any image there. So that is how to add it. Then you can change, let's change the background color of this. I want us to change this particular design to something new. So I click on it, style. I'm here to just be changing colors. So you see, I'm just assuming that, let's say I have my own brand. So I have my own brand, so I want to change the colors to my brand color. So you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. So you can see it. So I don't need to change every other thing. So you can change this image. This is not a carousel image, so just click here. So you click here. See it. Then you click on style. See it here. So you click here. you click on style, see it here, so you change it. Now for you to get maximum result, I want you to first of all download these images. You are going to find these images in your media. Once you publish this, you're going to see all these images in your media. Download them. Then you recreate each image with this dimension, because if you create another image in another dimension and put it, it will disorganize this particular place. So this, you are going to select this dimension, the width and the height. Then you create image based on the dimension, then you upload it. Same goes to these ones, because if you should upload this particular image to this particular place, it is going to disorganize this place. So the design is all about creativity. So you have to follow this particular design rule for you to achieve the same result. So changing text, just click on any text, see it here. You change anything you want, so you can see, change anything you want. If you want to change the text on this button, click on this button, you can see about us, more about us here. You can change anything. So that is how you can change text, change images, same way, just click on it. So want to change here, just click on this number. You can click on this number. You want to change this, you click on this number, then content. So inside this content, you can see this 22. Let's change it to 60. Then this years of experience, see it here, and this plus sign, see it here. So the same way you can use and change everything. You want to change this icon, click on this icon, see the icon box here, see the logo icon, click on icon gallery. Let's select something and put it, so it will change. You can see it. So that's how you can change everything. You can change everything. So this particular progress bar, click on it. It's a progress bar. So you click on it. You want this one, you don't need to do anything other than you want to style it. So you now have to choose the color for the styling. So you can see it. This is the track color. So the track color, that is this. So you change the track color to blue. You change it. So that's it. So that's the purple. So you can change these images. Just click here. This is an image gallery box. So click here to change it. Then click on style. So you can see the images. Sorry, I have to find out where this image is. Control. So this image, I'm trying to find out where the images are. So the container, the style, not there. So let me pause the video and find it. So let me show you. Just click on it. So I went to styling instead of scrolling down to the gallery section. So just scroll down to the gallery section. All these images, see it here. This item 1, click on it. See the image for this item 1. You can see the image, you change it. Then you click on item 2, see the image for the item 2, that is this one. So you click on it and change these images to your own images. So you find it from the gallery. So you can change everything here. These ones are easy to change. Just click here. That is the spacing. Just click on the image or this box. Then you click on style. Boom, see it here. So the same thing for this. So the pricing section, click on this pricing section. So you click on it. So this particular one, you want to change the name, see it here. change it. You want to change this particular one, see it here, click on it, see the price here. You want to change this particular ones, you see it. You can change any of them. You can change the icon. Let's change one icon so you know what I'm trying to say. So you can see I changed the icon. You can change the text. See the text. See the text here. You change it. So that's how you can change everything from this website. Then you might be wondering how you can change the background of this. Just click here, then go to style, see the image here. You can see it. So you change it. So this is it. Then we publish. So we publish it. It's publishing, boom. Then we refresh. So let's find out whether everything happened. So our background changed, the button changed, the color for this changed. What other thing do we edit? This one is now 66. The progress bar is now purple, and so on and so forth. So you can see you can literally change it and rebrand it to your own brand, and it will look professional. So that's what I'm trying to show you. So we don't have the header yet and the footer, so let's go quickly and add it. So just come over here, we are going to add it real quick. So it is loading. So let me just close this particular design tab. I'll quickly close this. So now this is where this Elementor kit, element kit is going to work. Just hover over, click header footer. Then once you click on it, allow it to load. Once it is done loading, add new template. Then you write header or any name, doesn't matter. The only thing that matter here is this place, the root header. If you change it to footer, this your design will go to the footer. So make sure it is on the header. Click on activate, then click on edit content. So it is loading. So I want us to add the header right now, then add the footer. So you can see that that particular icon didn't pop up. So I'm going to refresh it until it starts showing. So I just refreshed the page and we are seeing it over here. So then, but you have to let this thing finish loading. This is typically the network, the strength of your network. So it needs to finish loading. If not, if we import anything, it's not going to come with the design. But if you allow it to finish loading, it will come with the design. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So we click on it, do installed kit. Let's look for our header. See our header here. So let's import it. Okay, it's going to import with the design because the thing finished loading early, so it is imported together with the design, normal design. So you can see this menu. The reason why you can see this menu here is because we created the menu before design. So now that is the menu section. Click on it, you select any menu you want to use. If you have more than one menu. So now once you start creating menus, then it will start populating over here. Other pages, you add other pages to that menu, it will start populating over here. So now let's publish. So we are done creating the header. Then let's refresh our website. You can see it, very professional, very beautiful. You can see it. So our website has header now. So let's go real quick and create our footer. So we are going to go back, then add template. This time around is footer. You can write any name, but make sure that here you select footer, then click on entire website here, click on activate, then edit content. So if you are finding this video helpful so far, I want you to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Then if you find any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I respond to every comment. So we are lucky this one just started loading without, and they show this particular icon. This icon houses the template. So but I'm going to make another video on how we can install this template in another form, directly from Elementor. So that's why you have to subscribe, so that when I drop that video, you will not be left out. So like I said, you have to wait for this particular stuff to finish loading. If your network is very strong, it will just load immediately. It's just that my network is a little bit slow now, so that is why it takes a little bit of time. Anytime my network is very fast, it doesn't do this way. So let's just click here. Okay, it is downloading. Then view, then this is our footer, then import it. So in that header, the way you just change your logo, I forgot to tell you to change your logo. Just click on the logo, just like this footer. You're going to see it the same way. Change it. Then there's another thing I didn't tell you, and it is the same for anywhere you see button. This button, you have to link it to somewhere. Maybe you want to put the link to this one is subscribe button. So this one you have to create a form. So later I'll show you how to create form. So but literally I want to show you how the button works. So let me check if this particular one, this button, subscribe button, is a button. Subscribe, it has icon, and it doesn't have a link section, so it's not a button. It's not a button. So I wanted to show you how the button, this is scroll to top. So okay, yes, this is a button. So this is a button that I want to show you. So you see this button now. If you see any button and you want to link it out to another page, take for instance, you want to, this is our home page, you want anybody that click the button to come to this our home page. So you copy the home page. So you just come here, you're going to see link, paste it. So anybody that click on this particular link goes straight to the home page. That is it. So the same way is what you're going to do to link all your buttons to where you want people to see. So you want this about us. So about, you want to link it somewhere. So let's assume this my home page link is about link. Paste link here. This particular link will take you to another place. So you use the same way to edit all this. Add your links. That is how you link your pages together. Then you click on publish. Now I want to change the background of this so that you will see that you have full control over this website. I love it when it is blue. I love my footer to be blue. I always love blue footer, dark blue footer. But so just you can change it, then you start changing the color and change these colors to be white. So but get the idea of what I did. Let's refresh. I usually love a black background footer or dark blue background footer. That's what I usually use. So I usually use it. So that's why I have to change this footer to my suitable color. You can see it. That is it. So if you have watched this video to this point, thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video. If you have any difficulty, write it in the comment section. I will respond to you and fix it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.